Hello guys, this video I will show you a demonstration for CardPuter. My custom firmware to interact with the tmux section. So this video is more directive and I'll be on the first of them. So first thing you need the CardPuter ADV. So this is the first version. This is the ADV CardPuter from MAF Stack. So you can see here you have a small keyboard and small keys which are a screen of 1/5. Um, the objective of this project is called the cardputerme. So what this means? So you can see at my screen I am going to show you my tmux section. So I always using my tmux section as generic name. So the objective of my CardPuter is you can access your terminal's tmux sections using your CardPuter. You can do it with your phone, okay, but with CardPuter you have awesome things that you can do. If you integrate this guy with a Claude Code, it can be awesome. So first thing, I will send a command to my tmux section that's called a ping. This should not work because I am macOS, so this is different. So you can see I can send command directly from my tmux section from my CardPuter, and this is awesome because now I can just open Cloud. I write Cloud here. I press enter, and now I open Claude Code at my desktop using my CardPuter. And now I will give a task for CardPuter for my Claude Coder. So create TDD task notify CardPuter when ends. So I just say to Cloud create a TDD test, and this test folder has a small Golang application, and I tell to Cloud create a TDD follower test, and at the end notify me. So the first the unique useful thing you have with this firmware and this CardPuter, it's a custom pager. You can just set this to sleep mode when you click the button go here, and Cloud Code can just send to you notifications like that. So he's notifying me because we have a question to solve by Cloud Code. So we use a CardPuter you can send comments to your tmux section. So this is awesome. You can use it as a small little budget with less than $30 to do that. So it's small, fit, and you can use it with useful things. So this is just a demonstration of how use CardPuter. What is CardPuterme? That's my custom software exposure firmware to use with ADV CardPuter. So this is the second video. You have the first, and this is the second video I'm doing, but just for something. So now this is small demonstration how awesome is this little guy.